Rightly mentioned by you, sir, my name is Ankita Jain. I have done my BTech in computer science from Delhi Technological University. After that, I worked in Qualcomm India Private Limited, Bangalore for 14 months. After that, I worked in DRDO as a scientist. At present, I'm serving as an officer training in Indian Audit and Account Service. Sir, my hobbies are mainly dancing, cooking, and playing chess.
So tell me, Ankita, how the digital technology, the computer sciences have been applied uh, in the you know accounts and auditing uh, ecosystem uh, and in the CAG.
So, in both audit and accounts, we are trying to incorporate computer science. In accounts, we have a system called VLC system. Through this system, we do all the accounting. So most of our accounting is automated as of now. In audits, we are trying to use computer technology by retrieving the digital data from the departments. We do sampling and selection, and all these things we do using computer science. And moreover, sir, during my on-the-job training, I did a strategy paper in which I proposed a strategy through which we can mainstream computer science in e-governance and in particularly in audit.
And Ankita, now that you are aiming to get into higher services and IAS, uh, suppose you were the district collector, then how would you apply computer science in?
Data which is being generated today is digital. So if we want to do analysis of a particular area in our district itself, if we want to do some analysis related to health or is it related to education, we can do it using computer science. So during audit also I came across education, one audit report on education. We use data extensively, and if similar analysis can be done beforehand during the administration itself at the collectorate office, I think it would be very helpful, and in this way we can utilize the computer science in administration also.
You mentioned about education, and in fact, computer science and digital technology has really played a very important role in sustaining the education, the school education in the country, wherever the internet availability has been there. So now everyone is talking about whether to reopen schools or not. Now, with the kind of